Welcome to our wig store here. So this video I'm going to show you the wigs, the brown wig we made for the customers. I want you guys to guess the volume, the density. As you know, I don't say density for the wigs, but these are the bundles and frontal we use to make the wigs. And these three ones are the full lace wigs. For the back side, can you tell me what's the density for you? Can you tell me what's the density for you? See, it looks like very full from the back side. This one, let me shake it for you, this one. How do you like this one? And this is the front side, this one. When I'm shaking this wig, this is the lace frontal wig, brown color. We use the frontal and the bundles to make this wig. So I want you guys to tell me, what's the density in your opinion? In your opinion, what's the density? This one. Because different vendors will tell you different density, but you know, I don't say density. This one. Maybe some vendors will tell you, hey, it looks very full, maybe it's 200, 280, 300. But as you know, when you buy the bundles and frontal, you need to bring the hair to the salon to ask the stylist to make a full head for you. So sometimes before you purchase the hair, you will think, how many bundles I need for one full head? You will think, how many bundles I need for one full head? So normally people will buy 3 bundles or 2 bundles. Okay, let me tell you guys, this wig is 2 bundles and 1 frontal. Hey, looks not bad, good. This is 2 bundles and 1 frontal, the frontal wig. This one. Two bundles, 1 frontal, 2 bundles, 1 frontal. And also this one is also 2 bundles, 1 frontal. This one. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are the 2 bundles and 1 frontal. Hey, in this market, normally people will buy 2 bundles and 1 frontal. I mean, for us, the hair suppliers, if you ask them to make wigs, to make closure wig or frontal wig, normally they use 2 bundles and one frontal to make the wig for you. So this is how it looks like, this one. You know, sometimes some customer will think our price is a little bit higher than other vendors' price, because normally we use 3 bundles and 1 frontal to make the wig. That means it will be fuller than this one. But I think now this one is okay. This volume, I think it's not that bad. It's good. It's good. This volume wig. So that's why other vendors normally the price are lower than our price, because normally they use 2 bundles and 1 frontal, because we are the hair suppliers and they are the hair suppliers. We need to compete with each other. So, but sometimes they will never tell you how many bundles they use to make the frontal wig, how many bundles they use to make the closure wig. Sometimes they will not tell you. This is the full lace wig. I want you to check that very nice texture. This one, see. This we call water wave, but different clients they will have different name. We call it water wave. Some customer will call it natural wave, whatever. See this here. It's very nice texture. We export this every day. Sometimes we're out of stock, and some clients are so crazy. They will wait for this wig. They sell very well. This, and this one, the second one is the Italian girl. It's our Italian girl. This one. This one. I put them together to let you guys to see the different texture, different curve. This one is the deep curve. This one deep curve. We export these three type of wigs every day, and you know they are the full lace wigs. So it takes time. It really takes time to make the full lace wig because it's all hand tied all around the lace. All hand tied. It costs long time. So once the new stock come, it finish very fast. This, so you can compare. You guys, since you guys want to say the density, I will tell you this is our 150% density. This one, we call it 150% density because our standard is higher, but when you see this volume, maybe other vendors will say it's 200. Maybe it's 200 density. They will tell you, but we have different standards. So when you are purchasing the hair, when you want to say something, to name the hair, there are totally different definition for the hair. But once you compare the hair, you will tell the difference. I will take one to shake this. This. This is the deep curve. See? From the back side. I always tell my clients that don't use the comb to brush the curl hair. Only use your hand and spray with water. But after you spray with water on this curl hair, this deep curl lace wig, the texture I think for me is more beautiful. It's more beautiful. After you spray the water on this wig, it's more beautiful the texture. It becomes a little bit looser, but it's kind of wave. It's kind of wave. This way. This. This. Yeah, we have more blonde wigs. And we are planning to sell more color wigs like this, and short and both style. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first fourth one are the 2 bundles and 1 frontal. And this one is 2 bundle and a half, 2.5 bundle, 2.5 bundle. It's half bundle more. This, and this one is 3 bundles. This one is 3 bundles. Wait, I'll take and show you. I'll compare this one. Two bundles and 3 bundles. So obviously, you can see the difference. 2 bundles and 1 frontal, 3 bundles and 1 frontal. obviously you can see the difference. It's much fuller. So that's why sometimes some clients they will ask us why our price are a little bit higher than other vendors. So you know the reason, because we use 3 bundles to make to code the price, our price list. But now we are becoming smart. You know what? When we make the price list, we will line out to describe this is the prices for the 2 bundles front wig, and this is the prices for the 3 bundles front wig. So you see, so you can compare. But whatever, the most important is the hair material. If the hair material is not the best, you can't make this color blonde this way. And based on this color, based on this brown color wigs, you still can dye the hair to different colors. Black color, purple, blue, whatever, based on this color. I will show you more videos that our clients, they bought the brown hair and they dye the hair to different colors. On our YouTube videos, we will show that review, so you can see this. This is much fuller. And remember, I want to remind you guys, for new customers, for our regular customer, our old customers, they know that before you purchase any hair, if you want something special on YouTube videos, before you purchase the hair, you must send the link to us, and we will check the link to see what hair you want to buy, to make sure we are on the same page. Because sometimes, you know, the new customers, after they buy the hair, and they will come back to us, hey, I don't want this hair, I want something different on the YouTube video. Why you send me this hair? I want that hair on the video. But they never send us the video link before they purchase the hair. So if you send us the video link before you purchase the hair, then we are on the same page. We know what type of hair you want to buy, so we know what price to quote you, what hair to send to you. So this is very important. Always remember. I think I need to remind all the new customers in every videos in the future, in case some people don't know, because we don't want this happen again. So remember, for the new customers, before you purchase any hair that you want specific hair on our YouTube video, you must send the link to us, we check for you. So make sure we are on the same page. I will share more videos with you guys. More and more videos coming. In the future, we will wash all this hair texture to make the videos. We will even dye the hair, the brown hair, to make the videos to let the new customer that our hair texture, how it looks like after wash, our brown hair, how it looks like after dye. I think this is kind of invest, but this kind of investment is nothing, because we want to be very confident in this hair market, and we will do different videos to let you guys know how our hair is. Because even you bring the hair to the salons, they will do different, they will play with the hair. So for us, I like to play with the hair, so I will show you how our hair is. If you have any questions, just contact us on WhatsApp. I'll see you in the next video.